everyone, my name is Jasmine,
I'm Dana.
and today we are going to be talking about if essential oils can help you with your homework or even studying. So, the answer is yes. Essential oils can help you with studying. They are, like we have here, we have Study Buddy. Right?
Yeah, specially formulated with essential oils that can help you, help trigger memory, help with mental fatigue. And so the essential oils that are in here are rosemary, basil, clove, black pepper, and eucalyptus.
Yes. And so all of those essential oils separately can help you study as well. So that's really great.
Yeah.
And then you can also try peppermint essential oil. So if you're feeling kind of like mentally fatigued, peppermint will kind of give you that little boost that you need. If you diffuse it, make a little spray. We do offer a peppermint spray,
Yes.
a peppermint mist that you can use. And they're small. You can kind of keep one in your pocket.
True.
Take it out and smell it.
For sure, yeah. So the olfactory receptors in your nose are closely linked to memory. So if you diffuse, for example, Study Buddy or peppermint during when you're studying or doing your homework, and then if you maybe put it on a tissue or make a spray and spray it and smell it before you take a test, it can help trigger the memory.
That's actually really cool.
Yeah.
I like that a lot. Another cool thing that you can do is use citrus essential oils. So if you're feeling kind of down, you have to study, you got to do homework.
Don't want to study.
You have, a test coming right around the corner. Diffusing citrus essential oils or, making a DIY that has citrus, like a spray or maybe
something to make you happy and boost your mood before you study.
Yeah, so citrus essential oils are known to help boost your mood and give you a positive perspective on life. So if you're feeling down, if you're feeling a little this is
so hard,
so much for me to do, try using a citrus essential oil. And we have plenty on our website, and we have citrus blends as well.
Yeah, citrus burst, happy,
uplift,
relax.
Oh,
Yeah.
I love relax. Yeah. If you're feeling anxious,
yes,
there's essential oils for that too, which is cool. Essential oils for everything.
I do get test anxiety, so which ones will help?
Ylang is a great
a good
option. We have a calm essential oil blend, which is specially formulated to bring you back to your center, and
that one does help with anxiety.
Lavender can help as well. It might make you a little tired.
Yeah.
But if lavender doesn't make you tired and it just makes you feel calm,
that would be a good one.
It's a good one as well. Yeah. So, yeah, there's plenty of essential oils that you can try to help you with studying. If you're feeling anxious, if you have homework, late night cram session. We've all been there.
Yeah. If you have any oils that you've tried during studying or any study tips for anyone out there, let us know in the comments below.
Yeah, we'd love to hear them. So we appreciate you guys for watching, and until next time.
Bye.
Bye.